Hey Paul, wanted to give you a quick run through of how to print off check stubs. So thought this might be easy. We can walk through it on the phone too, but that way you can see it if you need to. All right, so you log in online, step one. And when you log on, your homepage should look like this. If yours looks different, let me know and we can get that fixed. This one's easy. So from here, you'll click on employees and then click on the employee that you're looking to print off a check stub for. We'll say Vince Carter. And once you click on the name right here, this is employee pay. You'll see check history. And then you'll be able to download whatever range you're looking for. So typically in our experience, you have employees that are looking for a very specific, we need, the last five check stubs, for example. So you could say, all right, or everything since January 1st, whatever they need, you can get the history, see the check stubs, and then print the pay stub as a PDF like that. And that should pull down for us here. Bingo. So that's how you get to the check stubs one at a time. The other option that a lot of clients do that's a little bit simpler is they'll go to reports and they'll just pull a date range, like like a check history summary maybe. So you can do check history summary and then you can specify the period of time and then you can select an employee and run it like that too. So a couple different ways you can do it, just kind of depending on what they need. And then of course, all we need is their email address and we can get them set up, send them an email so they can set up their own online access. Calling you now. Talk to you later.